English together.
Taxi.
Hello. Can you take me to Sunshine Hotel, please?
Sure. Do you have luggage?
Yes, I have a big bag.
Do you want me to put it in the trunk?
Yes, please. Thank you.
No problem. Please get in the taxi.
You want to go to Sunshine Hotel, right?
Yes.
Okay, please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay.
Good. We will go now. We are at Sunshine Hotel now.
Thank you. How much do I pay?
It is $10, please.
Here is $10.
Thank you very much.
Hello, can you take me to the train station, please?
Sure.
I'm in a hurry. My train leaves soon.
Okay, I will drive fast. There is a faster road to the train station.
Oh, really? Please take that road.
Okay, it will save time. We are near the train station now.
How much do I pay?
It is $15, please.
Thank you for driving fast.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.